be coming out on Disney XD October 14th. So let's open, and we're going to be unboxing them. So let's open them all up. This is Miss Marvel. Her real name is Kamala Khan, and her superpower is being super flexible. So we're going to be opening her up. So I recommend a grown-up for this because it's really hard to open. So I have my mom, and she's behind the camera. So let's open her up. So the first thing that we have is her hand. This is her tiny hand. And so now let's get her out. This is what she looks like. And she comes with one big hand right here. So what you're going to do is you just pop it off like this. Then you just put on her normal hand. And then you got her as a normal person. And I think that she looks really good. I love her. So let's move on to the next one. Now we're going to be opening up Ghost Spider. So her real name is Gwen Stacy, and her power is shooting webs. And so I really like her because I love her hair color. So let's open her up. So now let's open it. So first we got her, and her colored hair is on the back of her head. It's under all of her blonde hair. So what her accessories that she comes with is her spider web, and she comes with her mask. So last, I'm going to show you what it looks like with her stuff on. So this is what she looks like when she is superhero-fied. She has her spider web, and she has her mask and her hoodie. That way nobody knows what she is. So this is Squirrel Girl, and her real name is Marine Green, and her superpower is she can run really fast, and she is really cool to me because I love them to fight. So let's open her up. So now let's open her up. First thing we have is her little pet squirrel. Next we have her, and she is all green. She looks so cool to me. So next, let's get her little fluffy tail out. Now let's pick her little fluffy tail. This is what her fluffy little tail looks like. Now let's put it on now. This is what she looks like with her little squirrel tail. And now she matches her little friend. I love her a lot. I love her with her little friend because her little friend's really, really cute. So now we're going to be opening up Marvel's Quake, and her power is making quakes. So her real name is Daisy Johnson. So let's open her up, and my favorite thing about her is that she's my favorite color, purple. So here she is, so let's open her up. this is what she looks like. And here is her superpower. And let's put her superpower on. So I love her because I really like her boots and her colors are purple. This is America Chavez. Her superpower is she can fly and she's super fast. So let's open her up. First thing first, she comes with this superpower. Next, let's get her out. So next she has this really cool curly hair. And she has these really cool hoop earrings on with these red gloves that show her fingers. And on her suit she has this star. And I love her so much because her hair is really, really smooth feeling. She is really good. Let's put her superpower on. Let's see, let's put it on this hand. This hand looks like the right one. So it's like her power of, this is her power, probably a shield. This is what she looks like. Let's get on to the next one. So, this is the last one. His name is Marvel's Patriot. His real name is Rayson Lewis. And his superpower is super strength and he's really fast. So, let's open it. Okay, so let's open it. First, let's take his shield out. So this is what he looks like, and this is what his shield looks like. And this is what they would look like together. So this is all of them together, and I hope you like them because I love them. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. So, I hope you liked the video. Bye!